Okay, so what I've got here is I have my Arduino R4 Wi-Fi underneath here, and on top I have the Adafruit Motor Shield V3. I have this shield connected to external power here, so that will drive the motors. I have my 4 motors connected up here as expected. The Arduino's getting its power from a USB cable here, and when I turn the power on to the motors, which will provide it to the shield, we should get the motors turning the wheels for the test and to match up with the code that we've put into the Arduino. All right, so as we can see here, it's working its way through all the motors, driving them in the test mode to match the code that is available that I've put up for this project or for this individual item. So we'll see it work through all those items, test each motor individually, forward and then backward, slow and then fast, all together and so on, and always a good way to test all the motors here, with the next step being to integrate this more into a robot that can be controlled via Adafruit .io. But what I've done again is I've taken the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, I've put the Adafruit Motor Shield V3 onto that, connected up my 4 motors in the right polarity. I've added additional power, external power to drive those motors, and the power for the Arduino controller board is coming from a USB port, so that's going to allow it to drive both of those happily without any overloading. I've uploaded the test code, which I've made available on GitHub to verify that everything is working as expected, and very happy with this result, and we